All right, Grant Wilson, GJW Accounting. This is the third video. This might be it. There might be a fourth video. Like I said, I want to try to keep them all in 5 minutes. All right, so we left off with the documents. Now we're going to take a look at the notebook. All right, the notebook I also have divided into two sections. This is a completely, you don't have to use it. I use it a little bit. If you've never used OneNote from Microsoft and you have a million pieces of paper laying around, take a look at it. I used to be the paper guy. I have very little paper anymore. It can sync with your cell phone, tablet, works with Apple or Android products. I even have the Samsung Note with the stylus, so I can actually write physical notes and I'll copy the notes on here. So, and everything syncs automatically. Again, I have a section that I will use if you wanted to add sections and lists to it. Please go right ahead. So what do we have? We have a personal section and a business section. I don't have anything in the personal section. I have something in the business section just because I kind of wanted to show you how I work with this. So actually I should have showed you the list first. So we're gonna go back to the list. So how do we get out of the OneNote? Here, all you do is click back on your browser. I had to do it twice because I clicked the business. So we're gonna go to site content. I didn't set up the link for it. Things to do. On your site, I will always have a things to do on the navigation pane here. All right, so I have 3 things to do right now. As you can see, they're ordered kind of strangely. We have a due date of today, February 15th, and January 15th. There's a reason I do that. Add column, and I did not. I did not put that up, so now it doesn't make sense. All right, the reason I did that is because if you have personal accounts and a business account, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort the due dates by the category. So the category is personal. So this would be dealing with your personal income taxes. Successful Inc. is your business, so that would be category 2. So we have a due date of, which this isn't sorted right, but normally it would be sorted correctly. A due date of today, which is check OneNote for year-end items, which is what we just did. It's due today. It's assigned to Grant Wilson. And then we have any employee year-end info for W-2s, again to Grant Wilson. The due date is January 15th. And then upload personal tax documents. This is for your personal. And then I would have a little list of what we had last year, and then I'm just asking that you have this done by February 15th. So to do it, just click on an item, and then go to edit. You can enter some comments here. So I finish. You can put comments, issues. If it's done, you can hit resolved, and then that's it. To add it, so if you needed something from me, all right, so before it said Grant Wilson, that didn't really make sense, but oops, hold on a sec here. don't judge me on my typing. We have 2 Grant Wilsons. One is my accounting firm, and one is the GJW test thing. So that's why it shows Grant Wilson. Issue status means it's still active. Priority, let's say you need these right away. It's for the business, and you need these by Friday. So you just hit save. When you hit save, this is what I like about it. A email will be sent to my business email saying, hey, there's a task here, and it will put it into my to-do list. So I'm less likely to forget about doing something because it's right there on my to-do list. I know what I have to do and when I have to do it. So you can also have it sent to your Microsoft Outlook. So the things that would concern you can be sent to your Microsoft Outlook, so you can have a to-do list. You could, every time I add something, currently it only works with Gmail, or if you actually use Microsoft Outlook or Outlook 365, you can also have it put in a to-do list on Google or Outlook. So, all right, so this one went long. So we got the list taken care of. Next, we're going to go to the OneNote. So